Welcome to our YouTube channel. This is Tungsten Electricals and I'm here to talk about sockets. So how do you install the screwless VIP luxury socket? So this is a screwless VIP. See, has no screws. VIP socket. This is white and gold. So this is how you install it. It comes, the top parts can be detached. So you have these two different parts. Okay, this bit goes into your switch box or your Pattress. This part. So you make your electrical connections here, and then this parts you screw them in. Of course, your Pattress has its own provision. Let me take one for an example. Here is a Pattress. I have the screws and I have a screwdriver. So you take on this part after fixing the electrical bits. Put it like that. Get my screws in. So you have it like this. Okay. Now we're going to put on the last bits. This one. Nice. And there you go, you have your screwless VIP socket or cooker socket installed. Easy peasy.